Babe.
Yeah.
Come here. Come here. I want to show you something. So, babe, I don't want you to laugh, okay? I want you to be really sensitive. Basically...
Don't make fun of your girl's hair.
Yeah, don't make fun of my hair. I need positive reinforcement. I know I made a mistake. I'm basically bald.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you still gonna love me?
Of course. You can even tell everyone what you learned from this situation?
What?
You gonna tell everyone what you learned?
Yeah, I mean, don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the wigs and the weaves that you're used to.
That's it?
That's it. That's it. Let's just get this over with. You can just lift this up and off. Let me help you so you don't mess it up too much. You got it. Oh.
Wait, you need 2 hands?
Wait.
It looks the same as before.
Really?
It's not blonde.
So you like it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. It's just, it doesn't go any higher than this. Like, you know, blonde looked like this before I curled it.
Yeah, but you always wore it like flat, so I can tell.
So you like, so it doesn't look bad to you?
No.
Okay.
Very nice.
You like it? Okay. This makes me happy.
Okay. Benji, if you like it, sit.
That probably means he doesn't like it.
He just...
No, he doesn't want to sit. Benji doesn't like my hair.
He's just jealous. Look at
My hair was hard as hell with the blonde, so.
Silky, silky.
Silky, silky, silky smooth.
Feels like mine.
It feels like your hair? No, it doesn't. Your hair is thicker than mine. I'm bald. Oh my gosh. Tim is staring at me from the doorway. I feel like don't leave me in all this pain.
You know who you look like?
Who?
The girl from Total.
Total? So remember when I was telling y'all that my hair, it burnt out? This is what we're looking like. I mean, the top still has some movement. I still have yet to put heat on it. I just don't think I was like mentally there to like really let go of it, so I was just gonna wait for it to fall out. But the back is completely melted. Like, it feels like Kinkalon. So I'm just gonna comb it out. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna cut off the blonde hair. Oh my god. I've never had my hair this short either, so I'm like super nervous. Wow, this doesn't even feel like hair, guys. It's like Burlo. Just in case I wanted to go back, there's no going back now. I don't think going blonde was the problem because my hair was fine. Honestly, the biggest issue I had, my hair was natural. So what I should have done was just go blonde slowly. But I'm just so damn hasty and relax my hair because like this was so beautiful, but as soon as it got hot, it was impossible to keep straight. So I was damaging it anyway because I would be curling it every day. Like it was so, I was really messing up my hair. Like if any of my clients ask me like, T, do you recommend you know, relaxing your hair after you colored it blonde? I'd be like, hell no, are you crazy? And look at what I done did. Now I look like boo boo the fool. Cannot believe it. I cannot. I'm only not crying because I'm talking to y'all. I swear to God. Like, if I wasn't talking to y'all, I'd probably be crying. What the hell did you do, Tiara? Oh, alright. I'm finished and I'm gonna come back. So I'm finally done. And can you see this? This doesn't even look or feel like hair. It just, this feels like, this feels like back in the day when you used to get that like synthetic and human hair blend hair and then you would like use too much heat on it. Yeah, that's what this feels like. It's insane. I am officially bald. So this is it, guys. I don't know why I'm so emotional right now. I know I always say it's just hair, but you know, I really can't describe why I feel like this right now. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm like crying and laughing and crying. It doesn't look bad. I'm really freaking out right now. Alright, so I'm actually gonna relax the virgin roots and put some black rinse on it. So let's go. I'm gonna be using the Precise No Lye Conditioning Relaxer. This one is what I used when I was relaxed back in the day. So I just want to stick to what I know. So I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna dilute a little bit of it with a little bit of oil. Alright y'all, she is officially Curly Sue right now. What I'm going to be using is my Olaplex 3. This is their hair perfector and it's basically like a really good conditioner. So I'm going to just be taking care of my hair as I grow out relaxed. So yeah. Wow, I look like my Uncle Terry. That's how he used to wear his hair back in the day. Just curly. I am officially bald, guys. This will be really good for the gym though, so I'm actually excited about that. I can like get it in. Now I have no choice because I gotta make sure that there's no fat on my face. Alright, so I'm gonna let the Olaplex sit and do its thing. And then I'm gonna rinse my hair jet black. And that'll just help give me the illusion of a fuller hairline. As you guys can see, my hairline kind of goes back here. So we gonna offset that, okay? No Cordy B, but yeah. Yeah, feeling better though. Feel a little better.
Bad things. There's a lot of bad things.
Now I'm gonna use a little bit of these Adore Jet Black, and this is just a semi-permanent, just in case I decide I might want to do color again. I don't want to be stuck and locked into a permanent black color because that is the hardest thing to remove. So yeah, I'm gonna do a semi-permanent. I only need a little bit because I ain't got no hair. But yeah, I'm gonna like overextend this on my hairline so that it looks fuller. Steve Harvey tricks, Jimmy Fox tricks, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Took a few bites of my salad, y'all. They got this like spicy broccoli in it. Whew. Got your girl nose rubbed, okay? I sound like the boy from Boondocks right now. Oh man, I feel like this is such a throwback video, y'all. I haven't done this in so long. And I actually want this to stain my edges because it'll make it look fuller. So that's why I haven't based my scalp or my skin or anything. And I'm just gonna like do it in like hairline strokes so that I don't just have like a straight black line going across. But they've actually changed the formula of these so it doesn't stain as much as it used to. You know, this is also like super safe to use after a relaxer as well. It's crazy, like I really cannot escape my curls for long. Like I really see my hair curling back up. Got a little curly still popping or whatever. So now what I'm gonna do is use my Strength Fusion by Mizani. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of this. This is a leave-in, just a little bit, because like I said, she ain't got no hair. And I'm just gonna apply that all over. I'm gonna use my Recovery Volumizing Foam Defining Mousse. This is what I use on my blonde hair. It's colorless, so that's why I was using it. Not exactly my fave, but it really helps with damage that happens to your hair when you go blonde. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my head. And I'm not cheap when it comes to this, honey. So I'm gonna pretty much just be wearing like a side part. Okay, so now I'm just gonna start molding it, and I'm gonna kind of like do like not a finger wave per se, but just give it some shape and bring the hair towards my face. And don't be afraid to grab you some more foam. You guys can see like the relaxer definitely stretched my hair a lot because it was not this long. I'm definitely bald, guys. This is insane. Insane. So now I'm gonna take my wrap strips and wrap this sucker up. I know it looks crazy, but it works. Okay, so I just look like I got major surgery. I'm gonna go sit under my dryer for like 15 minutes. Y'all, I got the roundest head known to mankind. Like, do you see this? Anyway, so I picked up this Chi Deep Brilliance flat iron. It's the 1/2 inch flat iron, and this mofo was $179.99. So it better work or it's going right back to Ricky's. I wish it was like a little thinner. I think it's a little wide for it to be for short hair, but we shall see. My hair dried in 10 minutes. I am so impressed. I'm just gonna comb through the back because I do need to kind of shape it up. Everything's like one length. So this is just gonna help the hair like lay the right way. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of what came with my little flat iron. Baby, do what you want it for. Okay guys, my hair is short. I'm being like, ooh, this thing, no, this is going back. This thing is like too thick, like it needs to be thinner. You can barely, so basically like the width is perfect, but this is way too thick. Like I'm not gonna even be able to close. Yeah, it's no good. But what I'm gonna do, because you guys can see I have like a lot of thin areas, I'm gonna use this product called Cover Your Gray. And I got the black version of it, and I'm gonna like just fill in those areas so that my hair looks fuller. But first, I'm gonna make my part a little bit more defined. Okay, and then I'm going to follow up with my Cover Your Gray. I'm just gonna like take off the excess. So we wanna like build this up. We don't wanna like do too much too soon. And I'm gonna go just like right outside that part I just made. And you guys can see that is thickening that up. You basically just wanna kind of like darken the skin and then coat the hair a little bit. And it's really hot, so this might be something you'll have to do a few times a week. And it kind of comes off like in your, scarf and stuff like that. It's fine to me, but you know, some of my girls, they don't like doing too much. You guys can see that looks like thicker already. And I'm gonna do the same thing in this area right here. Just put it on the top to warm it up. And I'm gonna use that to kind of lock those edges in. And I feel like the Got2b works exceptionally well on relaxed hair. And I'm just gonna like tie it down to get those sides to cooperate, because the edges are secured. I'm about to wash my booty, get all this hair off of me, and I'll come back with the finished look. Okay. I got a big head. I got a big head.